In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize Google Drive and Google Docs to easily manage and edit your documents online. This process is particularly useful if you've got a Word document on your computer that you'd like to access, edit, or share through Google's platforms, and I'll guide you through turning it into a fully editable Google Doc. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Drive by opening your web browser and heading over to the Google Drive website. If you haven't logged in yet, a prompt will appear asking for your Google account credentials. Enter your email and password to access your drive. It's always a good practice to ensure you're on a secure and private connection, especially if you're entering personal information. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a bright New button. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options for creating or uploading files. You want to select the File Upload option. This is essential for getting your document from your computer onto Google Drive. Next, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location of the Word document you wish to upload. Once you've located your docx file, select it and confirm your choice. The file will begin uploading to your Google Drive. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the document, this could take a few moments. After the upload completes, locate the file in Google Drive. It should appear at the top of your file list. Right-click on the document. A context menu will appear offering several options. Look for the Open With submenu and click on it, which will reveal further options. You're going to choose Google Docs. This crucial step initiates the conversion process. Google Docs will create a new file that converts your Word document into a Google Doc. Now, Google Docs opens your newly converted document in a new tab. You'll notice that the document is now fully editable right in your browser. You can make changes, format the text, and utilize all the tools that Google Docs offers. This copy lives within Google Drive, so any changes you make are automatically saved in real time. This feature is one of Google Docs' most powerful attributes, allowing seamless collaboration with others or simple solo editing without the fear of losing your progress. And there you have it. You've successfully taken a Word document from your computer, uploaded it to Google Drive, and converted it into a fully editable Google Doc. This method allows you to access your documents from anywhere, making it incredibly versatile and convenient. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.